Good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. I am Joanna Langbis, 37 years old, married, have 4 kids, one daughter aged 17 years old, and 3 sons aged 16, 14, and 2 years old. I am a high school graduate only. I work in Hong Kong for 3 years. My first employer is from 2017 to 2018. I serve 6 people, one elderly, 2 couples, and 3 children. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, do the laundry, ironing, mopping, and go to market and wash car. And my second employer is from 2018 to 2020. I serve 2 healthy elderly couple. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, do the laundry, ironing, vacuuming, and mopping, go to market, and wash car. My skills is for elderly care. I I prefer to work alone. I I to my preferred job I want elderly care and taking care of kids. Thank you and check my profile help. Thank you and check my profile helper in library apps.